Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Someone will be like, is this a Hura? Why is she having a different look? I know. So before I go right into it, I'm sorry if you're not able to recognize me, but hello, it's still me. I'm still the one. So here's a quick one. I just want to put this out there. I just want to encourage anyone that is trying to start anything. Maybe you want to start up a business and you don't know how to go about it. Go check my previous videos. I've made videos on how to start up a business, because when I start my business with 60,000 naira. It sounds strange, like what can 60,000 naira do for you? Yeah, I started my importation business with just 60,000 naira, and from there it blossomed like it's. So I just want to put it out there. Anyone that wants to start up anything, you want to go into business, you want to go into hair, you want to go into lashes, you want to go into makeup stuff. See, there are a lot of things that will give you money. You see, makeup, makeup equipment, makeup, like anything cosmetics, any is it cosmetics or cosmetics, anything cosmetics, it gives money, like it gives money. Male wears, female wears, bags, there are a lot of things you can start up with. There are a lot of things you can start up with. So if you want to start business, any form of business, please go ahead. I'm telling you, take it from me. Take it from me. I know how I started. And currently, I've not gotten there, but I'm proud of myself. Like I'm really, 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 really proud of myself. I'll just be putting this out without editing, because I feel like this is just me. This is just me pouring out my heart. This is just me trying to encourage whoever that wants to start up anything. This is just me trying to tell you you can do it. You can do it. I'm not really a motivational speaker, but I feel like I can do this. I feel like I have a little experience. I have a little experience that I can give out. So if you want to go into any form of business, digital marketing, affiliating, drop shipping, go ahead. Go ahead. You can just, even if you don't have the money to start up, just meet someone, tell the person, oh please, can I get like 12 pieces of this? And after that, you can give the person back the capital, and you go. From there, this is how you start. This is how you start. If you want to go into skincare products, like I bring in skincare products, yeah, and that's like a very good aspect of business to get yourself into. I'm saying this with all smiling ear to ear, because I know what I'm benefiting, and I want you all to also benefit from that. There's nothing like, oh, I'm old already, so I can't just start. Nah, no matter what your age is, you can do it. You can do it. Don't say, oh, I'm too young. What do I know? You are not too young. No one is too young to make money. No one is too old to make money, because money solves a lot of things. Money solves a lot of things. So please, if you are thinking, you've been thinking and thinking, when will I start? And you keep procrastinating, stop procrastinating and start now. Learn from me. Go to my previous videos. I have videos on how to start up your business, how to start up importation business. Like even if you don't have the money to start up importation business, drop ship, meet some persons. There are a lot of business gurus, like people that are really, really doing well for themselves in business. Meet them, negotiate with them, tell them, oh, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do. Is there any advice for me? The person will tell you the sure way, the surest way to go about this. Please don't end 2024 without getting a solid business. Don't end 2024. I want you all to start your year. I want you all to start 2025 with a very strong business. Yes, I'm saying this and I'm smiling. I want you all to start your 2024 with a very strong business. Get it from me. Like, go through my previous videos. You will see a lot of videos I've talked about how to start up your business. Please, please, I'm blinking my eyes now. To show you guys that I really want you all to do something. I really want you all to start off something. So please, if you have any question regarding business, digital marketing, affiliating, Do well to let me know. Drop on the comment section. Tell me what you want to get yourself into. Tell me what is your fears. Like, what is that fear? What has been preventing you from getting into that business? Drop on the comment section. Let me know, and I'll be glad to assist. I will be glad to assist. So, guys, if you found this video very interesting, do what to subscribe to my channel. Do what to subscribe, and please keep supporting me. I love you all. Ciao, ciao.